Welcome to our training presentation for vehicle inspections. AXA Inspectorate is dedicated to providing our customers with the highest quality of inspection services available. And we understand that training is a major factor in achieving this goal. Please give this presentation your full attention. Make notes as you watch, and don't hesitate to ask your supervisor for help if you're unclear about any of the information that's presented. Vehicle manufacturers spend a fortune on ensuring that the quality of their products satisfies their clients. But from the moment the vehicle exits the plant and until the vehicle arrives in the hands of the dealer, the quality of the vehicle is outside of their direct control. It's in the hands of the transportation and storage companies, who we call the logistic chain operators. Thus, it's now their responsibility to guarantee that during transportation, whether by land or water, and throughout the storage in the ports or stockyards, that no damage or theft occurs and that the quality of the product is not negatively affected. It's obviously necessary to obtain and apply a consistent and objective standard to verify vehicle condition at every point, especially where an exchange of responsibility for that vehicle occurs. It's only human nature that the operator delivering the unit has a tendency to minimize any observed damage, while the operator who's accepting delivery has a tendency to exaggerate anything that they see, of course, in order to avoid possible future claims. This is where we come into the picture. As an independent inspection company, we can, in an absolutely objective role, verify the condition in accordance with the standards established by the manufacturer using consistent procedures and through trained inspectors such as you. As our inspector, your commitment to consistency, independence and quality reflect directly on our level of service. Your actions in the performance of your job will be the standards that our entire company is judged by. Please, do your job to the best of your abilities and in full accordance to this training presentation. Remember, you're the one who sets the quality standards for our company. You are AXA Inspectorate. We'd like to take a moment to review the clothing requirements. The inspector should use the uniform approved by AXA Inspectorate. The uniform should always be clean and in good condition. Clothing must not have exposed buttons, buckles, zippers, or any other protrusion that might cause damage through contact or rubbing. Any of the above mentioned must be covered to protect the vehicle. Obviously, no keychains or belts should be worn during the inspection, and if a watch is worn, again it must be adequately covered. Even when the weather's hot, you must perform your inspection work wearing the correct attire. Please show you're proud to work for a professional company. The uniform should have only the AXA Inspectorate logo. Any other clothing such as hats, jackets, etc. should be the same. Chrysler wouldn't like to see you wearing a Ford patch or vice versa. Here are a whole bunch of don'ts. Don't smoke during the inspection. Smoking inside the vehicles is absolutely prohibited. You should smoke only in authorized areas of the port facilities or the terminal. Again, eating or drinking in the vehicle is absolutely prohibited, even if the vehicle has tray tables like a Rolls-Royce. Pass the Grey Poupon. Don't start the motor. Don't use the radio, the lighter, or the ashtray. Please don't sit or lean on the vehicles. Don't put your work tools or equipment on the vehicles. Don't use the vehicle as a garbage bin. Dispose of your trash in the proper place. Don't use the vehicle as a workbench. Don't sleep in the vehicle. Don't apply stickers or place any marks on the vehicle